we try so hard to be like someone else. And then we're enough. I mean, you know, you are enough to be a Zomi. Zomi
Hey, that's
American.
good. That's good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna say Malaysia by now.
Hello, Grow with Van Podcast ปนมหัวกิน Gable นะ host วันปีที่ podcast ที่ได้นาเป็นอาฮิและและสิบรวมทุนคุณรวมตัวมาอมมีแต่เกียงปันต่างถูแต่อัตัวขับถูแต่งานกองพิลนาไลน์ไอโซมี community ผู้บักขันตัวคอมมินที่ได้งานนี้ไอปีนาโตและนั่งไงสมสกุล
to make it deep is creativity.
Hello, today we're with Marati. Am I saying it correctly?
Yeah, you're correct.
Okay, Marati.
Marati.
Okay.
Yes.
So how do people call you? I'm just curious.
Like Maruat. Just
Okay.
Maruat. Yeah, it's still like E is for female in Mizo. Like R is for male. So if you say my name, it's gonna be like Maruati. But if you wanna call me, Maruat.
Gotcha.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
it's more personal.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
Personally, yeah.
I see. Yeah. First of all, thank you very much for doing this.
Oh, you're welcome.
I know you don't have a lot of time.
I know, but yeah.
Thank you. First disclaimer, Marut ben ama zo bao take hollow. Gela mi zo bao take hollow. Ai chang a ki kala English amo mang bao a hi ding nang tel siamun chiang gen no mi ngai. So first of all, you
Tom Gente.
Tom Gente. I don't even know Tom. Mizo.
I'm just kidding.
Okay. Anyway, your English is really good.
Oh, am I?
Yeah, it is really good.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah. I mean, obviously, I think Mizoram has better English and education system than Burma.
Of course, yeah. And right now, English is our second language. Yeah.
Okay.
So Hindi is our national language, but we speak more English.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
Which is why it's real good.
Yeah. I think so. Yeah.
Yeah. We like it's good enough that we can like basically you can survive in the US.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Exactly.
So is this your first time in the US?
Not really. This is my second time.
Second time.
I came, back in last year. Yeah.
Gotcha. As a guest, like
as a guest, we had like a conference. No, it's not even a conference. It's like an MCF. We call it an MCF. It's like the ZBCA. The Zomi, which is that conference, that kind of conference. We call it an AMCF. It's like North American Mizo Christian Fellowship. Yeah, they used to have like a conference every 2 years. Yeah.
Gotcha.
So they invited me last year.
I see.
Yeah, I spent 2.5 months here.
Half a month.
Yeah.
This time, how long do you plan to
I don't
stay?
know, maybe like 3 months.
3 months.
It's been like
That's good.
1.5 months already, but I have so many days to go. So many programs to attend.
So your schedule is very full.
Very full till October 2nd week. Yeah.
Gotcha. How do you like it so far in here?
Oh, it's pretty. I love the place. You know, Mizoram is like a hilly area, so I love the plain area, and there's so many green, grass and everything.
But it's very hilly in here too, Tennessee.
Oh no, it's
Not as
like,
much?
No, this is
Okay.
not. This is not. Oh my gosh, you should come to Mizoram. It's like the real hilly place. Yeah. Like it's like a mountain, not even hilly. It's like a mountain.
Okay.
So
That makes sense. I've never been to Mizoram, but if I talk to like my American friends in here, American people, they're like Tennessee is very hilly.
Oh no,
You know,
not at all.
like-
It's like a mountain.
I see.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
So I love, I love the place, and I love, I don't know, I love the people too. They are very polite, they're very nice. I love everything.
Gotcha. What do you think of the food?
Oh, I love, no, I'm gonna tell you.
Yeah, let's get into it.
Yeah, I love seafood so much. So since I'm from Mizoram, like the hilly area, we don't get like the seafood so much.
Gotcha.
So we normally see like the river crab, the small one.
Yeah.
Yeah, the local one. But here I see like a lot of big crabs, I
Yeah.
love that. And I love the shrimp too. So yeah,
I
love
see.
that thing.
So have you been to Malaysia?
Not yet.
You
Yeah,
should
I
go.
was invited back in 2000. what was that? But I was already engaged with another program, so I couldn't
Schedule
make it.
conflicts.
Yeah.
Yeah. If you think the seafood here is great, Malaysia is even greater.
Really?
Yeah. It's by the sea, so it's really fresh.
Oh.
It's very cheap. In here, you have everything, but it's a little pricey. You know.
I'm just gonna say Malaysia by Noam.
Hey.
Am I right?
Yeah. That was spot on. Yeah.
Okay.
I think you should try to go. Malaysia is a lot of fun. So have you ever tried like any like the local food in here, like Mexican food, stuff like that?
Yeah, I experienced a lot of food.
What do you think?
I love everything, but the thing is like I'm not a foodie person, so
Gotcha.
the only thing I love the most is like the seafood.
God, we
like the
come
crab
back
and
to
the shrimp.
seafood. Yeah, that's good.
And I don't eat like that much, so yeah. Oh, just the crab and the shrimp.
Gotcha. Okay. Is there any culture shock that you've experienced? Like, you know?
Among the Zoe people or
Okay, let's start with the Zomi.
Yeah,
And then let's
yeah, we
go
should-
into the American culture. Because in my opinion, like the Zomi culture here, the Zomi American culture, and there is like American culture, and
I
it's
know.
not the same thing. So
just ask me.
so let's start with the Zomi American culture. What do you think? Is there any culture
So this
shock?
is my first time being in the Zomi community,
Okay.
like in America.
I see.
But back in India, I've been to Lanka, and yeah, I have so many friends out there. But here is like a different thing. You know, in America, people try to live like the real. I mean, I'm so sorry, but the real American people. You know, but the thing that I used to talk about, like the thing that I talk a lot is, you know. Yeah, I have so many culture shock because some people try to live like the real American people.
Yeah.
So at the end of the day, we are Zombie. You know, we need to know that. That's what I feel. I mean, if you're a Zombie, just live like a Zombie. So of course, you are a Zombie American anyway. You know, even though you were born and raised here, still you're a Zombie. So you have your own culture. So we have like the Zao people. We have like Puan, we say in Mizo Puan, like the wraparound, and then we used to wear tops on Sundays and everything.
I think that's in my culture we call it Nick.
Nick?
Yeah.
Yeah, they used to say like sweet Nick too. Yeah, I heard. Yeah, I recall some of the words. Yeah. See, some people prefer to wear some other clothes. You know,
like jeans,
and pants, and yeah, even to the church, even at the church too. So I was like, in Mizoram, back in Mizoram, we never wear pants. Like if you go to church, you're supposed to wear like, you know, the nick and then the top, or if you are young, we're wearing what is this, the dress or the frocks. Yeah,
dress. Okay.
Yeah, always like that. So when I came here, even last year, I was, you know, I experienced a lot of things. And I'm like, oh, what is this? These people are just, you know, even the parents are also wearing their own own clothes. I may say like, I'm shocked. I'm shocked. And then second thing is like they speak. Some people don't speak their own language, and I'm very shocked.
Yeah,
I'm very shocked. I don't say I blame them, but I'm shocked. Oh yeah. If I had to talk about culture shock, I am really shocked. So if God give you like, yeah, God gave us our own language, right? If you don't speak your language, what's the point of, you know, you're not obeying God. I mean, indirectly.
I see.
You know what I mean, right?
Because God created you in a certain way and give you your cultural identity. And if you shift away from that, you're kind of like disobeying it in a certain way.
Yeah,
that's what you're trying to say.
Yes. We try so hard to be like someone else. And then we are enough. I mean, you know, you are enough to be a Zomi American.
That's good. Yeah.
You are enough. We always feel like we need to fit in. We need to do this. You know, we need to speak this and that. We need to follow this and that. No, it's not like that. We have American, like they have rules, right? You have, of course, we need to follow, but we don't need to. We don't need to try so hard to be like them. We are enough.
Gotcha.
Yeah. So God created us in this way. We need to accept. This is the way of obeying God too. Yeah.
I see.
So, well,
no.
we're in
That's
the culture
good.
shock Right, but yeah, I just want to say like that.
Yeah, I agree. That's what my grandma always said. She always watched like the Mizo choir group singing and stuff like that. She always like they always dress like so nice, so good in the
Yes.
traditional dress and stuff like that, you know. And I think in the Zomi culture is a little less, I would say less traditional or less stricter than Mizo. Like even in Burma, not even in the US.
Oh,
Some
okay.
people wear like pants and stuff like that. But in here it's even much more prevalent.
Okay.
So that's one thing. But living in the US as a kind of like first generation immigrants, you know, I've been living here for 5 years, almost 6 years. So I think there is a fine lines that we have to walk. So like the Zomi immigrants, for example, they have the Zomi identity, cultural identity, but at school they like the 99%, 95% of the people they see are like Americans, you know, white, black, Hispanic, whatever. So I don't necessarily blame the kids to get sort of assimilated by the culture, but I think this is where parenting come into play, right? Parents have to really teach their kids the value of our culture. That's why I feel the same about, because if we don't speak our language at home and if we don't practice our culture, nobody's gonna practice in it. It's gonna be like
You cannot expect other like the Hispanic or the black people to speak your language.
exactly.
That's not their language at all.
If you don't do it, they're not gonna do it for you.
Yeah, exactly.
And it's just gonna be like a water drop in the ocean. We're just gonna disappear.
Yeah.
So I think this is where like parents really have to focus in.
Yes, of course. Yeah, I understand that we immigrants, uh, maybe for the parents too, it must be very stressful, coming here to a new place,
And
and then
they have to work like,
work
every day.
and then looking after the children, and then the children are like having another different environment at school, different kind of environment. So I know it must be very stressful, but at the end of the day, like I said, this is what God gave us. God gave us this. We need to protect. This is our, it's our responsibility to protect our culture and our language,
Exactly.
Yeah, this is our responsibility. God already gave us something. So we have our own responsibility.
Exactly.
Yeah, and then the other thing is like I heard some people, some youth moving out once they turn 18. They move out from their house, from their parents. I always say like, this is not our culture at all. You're in America, but this is not our culture. You are American anyway. Like, even though you see our face, we look different, right?
Yeah.
But at the end of the day, we have our own culture. Like I said, we always look after our parents. This is our responsibility. This is us. We are more responsible than those people. I may say, like, I just said those.
Not in a bad way.
Not
but
in a
yeah,
bad
yeah.
way. That's their culture. We're not supposed to follow their culture. We are not them,
Yeah.
Yeah, even though we're living in the same country, we are not them. We have our
Exactly.
own culture. So our responsibility is in Zomi. I think, if I'm not mistaken, the oldest like is always like responsible. He's the one responsible for
Yeah,
taking care
yeah.
of the parents, right? Yeah. So yeah, some people moved out easily, doing their own thing, but I think we should take care of our parents. Yeah.
Yeah.
Just like that.
Yeah,
This is
I
our
agree.
culture.
I love it.
Yeah.
I talk about it with like my American friends too, kind of debating it a little bit. But in their culture, it's like moving out is like it's a sign of being independence, because the West culture is very individualistic, right? So you have to be able to stand on your own feet
Yeah.
without the helps of anybody. So it makes sense from their point of view. But in our point of view, is like your parents are like the one who raise you, take care of you. So once they get old, you're the one to kind of like look after them again. And if we ignore those culture, and if we kind of look at the American culture alone, and if we try to act on that, it's like you're kind of like ignoring, you know,
Yeah, I
your
know.
culture.
So, in simple way, we can say like we're not born out of their blood. So everything comes from blood, right? So we're not born out of their blood. We are born out of our parents' blood. So yeah, just like that. It's very simple. We need to
Yeah.
know.
Yeah, I think you can have shared identity. So I can be American, but I can also be as much Zomi as I am American. So I still can appreciate the independence that they have or the equality that they have. But I still can also look after my parents and not necessarily losing the liberty that I have in here, you know. That's kind of how I take it.
I want to show you something. I
Yeah.
mean, talking about that thing, I put on Instagram, see, Mizo by blood and then Indian by birth.
Yeah.
Right, by birth is
I saw
different.
that
Yeah,
one.
Christian by choice, this is different. So our choice is different, and then our birth, the way, everything is different, right?
Yeah.
So that's what it is. That's what I'm talking about. Blood
Yeah.
is different, birth is different, and then choice is different. So yeah, I think that makes sense.
Exactly. No. I understand. These are some real good conversation. So zooming out from the Zomi community, have you ever had any like culture shock with like the Americans culture? Like for example, the whites or the blacks, the Hispanic, just the American culture.
I'm not really into their community, but
Yeah,
the
you've
thing that
only
I've
lived here
seen,
for a few months.
yeah, the thing that I've seen so far is like, they're so polite. They care so much about their children, and the thing that I always talk about is they're so polite in the public places and everything. They're so like, I don't know, they care so much about the. Sometimes we went to the shop and the mall, and then the shopkeepers and every person, every person, they are very, what to say, polite and very, they care so much about the customer too, unlike India. You know what I mean, right? So yeah, I'm very surprised to see that.
I see. I think
And
that's.
I love that. I love that. Yeah.
I think that's what we can take from them.
Of course.
Not not take like the moving out part, but take the good one.
Yeah.
You know. Yeah. Cause I feel the same way when I first got here. I was like sitting on the front yard, like the front porch. There's people running on the street. In like Myanmar, we don't really, we just smile or whatever. That's like pretty normal. And he's like, "Hi, how you doing?"
Oh yeah, they just, at least they wave at us, right?
He said something, and I wasn't prepared at the time. I'm like, wait, what? Is he talking to me? Yeah, I wasn't even prepared to answer it.
Yeah.
That's what I really like. And also like in terms of communications, I think they're way ahead of us.
Yeah.
So like if you're at work or something, and if they want to make you to do a certain thing, instead of saying like, "Hey, can you do that?" They're like, "I would do it this way." It's very polite. It makes you want to do it. But if somebody like gives you order like you have to do it this way, sometimes you're like, "Why are you bossing me around?"
Yeah, one random a lady, she's a lady. She approached me, and I wasn't expecting at all. She mentioned my my tops and all, and there was like some laces out here, and then she told me that you look so good with the laces, and I'm like, I'm very surprised. I don't know her, but still she was complimenting about
She
my
take
dress
her
and
time
everything.
out of her day to compliment you.
Oh yeah, and I'm like, oh wow, these people are nice. I really want that kind of humanity.
Yeah, that's what I like about the culture, especially in here. I think it varies on state. Like I've never been to New York, but I heard people in New York are a lot more rude or like a lot more direct or something.
I think so. I've been there. Like last year, I spent 4th of July there. But the thing is, like, to me, the thing is like there are so many like homeless people. So if you are like homeless, you care a little bit less. If you have home, then you care a little bit more.
Yeah.
Family is important.
I understand. Yeah.
Yeah.
Also, New York is a very big city, so everyone is just doing their own, very fast pace.
Yeah.
They don't have time to
Yeah.
go out of their way to compliment you.
They have their own business, right? Yeah.
Yeah, in the South, it's a lot more like community minded. I would say so, which is why I like it unexpectedly. So it is anything else in terms of like culture?
Just that, I think the rest is like, of course, we are all human, so we have so many things in common, even though we are living in the like different country. Of course, we are human, so
we have we share some
we share some
same experience.
Yes, a lot of like same experience, I
I
may
see.
say.
You mentioned something about the way they talk to their kids or something.
Oh, yeah, I heard, one of my aunt, she married to a white guy. Wait, two of my aunts, they married to a white and a black guy. Yeah, it's a little bit different. Like, they care so much about their children. To me.
Yeah, they give a lot of their time to the
Yeah,
kids.
yeah. They have like, summer break, and they always travel during summer break. Yeah, they care so much about the children. So yeah, of course, they are my cousins, They receive so much love from their parents.
I
So,
see.
yeah.
Yeah, I think that's one thing is in Asian culture, like not even like Zomi or Mizo culture.
Like the Asian mom, they're gonna scold us, every time, like, yeah, that's totally different.
Yeah. It's not that they don't love you, but we don't show it a lot.
Yeah. But yeah, these people, oh my God, these people, I don't know whether it's rude or not, like saying these people, but they show so much love. If you love people, you just say like, I love you. But us, we
that's
don't.
weird in our culture.
Yeah, that's weird, right? But I love the way they say things easily, like they show it, like actions, like words, everything, they show it. So I love that.
Yeah,
I love
totally. Yeah. My grandma's love language probably is like Anaduna.
Yeah, I
You wanna
understand.
eat something? It's their way of saying I love you.
Yeah.
You going out, you got your jacket, you got your umbrella.
Yeah.
That's their love language.
Don't forget your jacket. Yeah, don't
Yeah.
forget your umbrella.
Yeah.
Yeah, just like that, right?
Yeah. That's some different culture, but I think it's very important to show it,
To show
especially
it.
to the kids.
Yeah, if you love people, I mean, if you love your parents, I love you. Just say I love you, For me, it's kind of difficult too, but I think it's important to show it and to speak out our heart. Yeah.
Yeah.
Of
I
course.
totally understand. There's a comedian that said white parents talking to white kid is the most beautiful thing in the world. He's Indian.
Oh yeah, maybe, right?
Yeah.
Maybe, yeah.
Because they explain the kids. The kids probably don't even understand it, or like the kids a little too young, but they still explain the kids the consequence. Like, if you go there, this will happen. You wanna make me sad, In our culture, it's like, if I say don't go there, just don't go there. Yeah.
Where's the stick? Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh wow.
That's
talk a lot
awesome.
about- That's the Asian thing. Okay.
So you've enjoyed your staying here so far?
I enjoyed so much. Yeah.
Gotcha. Do you plan to come back in the future too?
I don't know. My visa is like 10 years, so it's like multiple entry. I can come back anytime.
Okay.
So
as long as you have like a
if
plan or something to do,
if I'm invited, I can come like anytime
I see.
for 10 years. Of
Gotcha.
course.
Would you ever want to live in here?
I don't know. I don't know. Yesterday, some people asked me about the place or whatever. Yeah, and I said if I ever get married, I'm just gonna follow my husband. He might live in America. He might live in Burma. He may be from India. I don't care.
I see.
But as long as I'm with him, I'm gonna follow him.
I see. Wait,
Yeah, it's
are
just
you
like that.
single?
I am. Oh,
Okay.
this is funny. Yeah. What is this? Yeah, I am.
Hey viewers, hey, she's ready to follow you.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, to the Zomi listener. US. Okay, so you're open to living anywhere.
Yeah, because us, women, we are supposed to follow our husbands. So yeah, it's biblical.
Yeah,
just
we
wanna
we need more of that in the US. Yeah, we need more of that in the US. Yeah. So in terms of music and what you're doing right now, I don't think we need any introduction to your work and stuff. So do you have any plan, like future goals regarding like your musical career?
Okay, before I came here, like this year,
Mm-hmm.
I was planning to make like a full album. I wrote like so I wrote. I don't want to say like that. God gave me so many
Yeah, yeah,
songs,
yeah.
you know. So I just want to make it in one album, like maybe 7 to or maybe 10 to 12 songs in one album. But I got invited and then I came here. I spent a lot of time right now, so I don't know. My plan and my wish is to make one album right
Gotcha.
now,
I
and then
see. Like
if I go back, I may go back on October. If I go back, I might start doing that.
I see. So are you still recording, producing?
Yeah, I right now some people are making the tracks, the soundtracks and all. So if I go back, I can do the recording and all. So I have my own videographer. So yeah, it's
I
like
see.
that. So once I finish all my, recordings, we can start shooting the video and then yeah, a lot of things to do.
Yeah. I'm sorry to remind you
No,
with
no,
all the
no,
work.
it's okay.
When do you want to like release it by, like just general?
Before, I plan to release on October, but since I'm here, I cannot do anything. So right now, I don't know. I need like at least a month.
So maybe this year at least.
Maybe, but I'm traveling around again, so I don't have much time.
Oh, so you can't tell yet.
Yeah, yeah. So it's gonna be like October, November is like November and December is like the busiest months of the year for us. It's like a Christmas time and everyone
Exactly.
is having a program, so we travel a lot. And I'm going to another country again on December, so to China.
Oh,
So
wow.
I have like a limited time, maybe like only a month.
I see.
So I think I don't know. My
Yeah,
wish is
we
to
can't tell
to
just
release
yet.
on like this year, but I may not be able to do it.
Gotcha.
I really
That's
don't
good.
know.
That's good that you're busy. Yeah, yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
I'm quite busy right now.
Yeah, that's
It's
good.
all like by the grace of God. Yeah.
I see. That's good. Since you don't have a lot of time, we're kind of in like a time constraint right now, so I won't hold you any longer. So can we like sing a few songs
Oh yeah,
and
of course.
finish the video?
Yeah, yeah. I love singing gospel song. Like I love preaching and singing. I mean, I love singing, but I only sing gospel.
Okay. Oh, like no secular song?
No, not
Okay,
at all.
wow.
I only sing gospel.
I see. That's dedication.
Yeah, if you're a Christian, you need to dedicate, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, without dedication, it's like I don't know. You're taking something for granted.
I see.
Yeah, right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I love it. Okay, let's
Thank
do
you.
it.
Not till balls ya lam dang hi na pil na suy vua hello na thu pina aphuang na khut suak de tau pa o nang bang qua đang ôm lâu qua đang ôm lâu hi ô nang ba qua đang ôm lâu hi ô nang ba qua đang ôm lâu hi